Good YouTube. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to change the home screen grid layout on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to change the home screen grid layout on your S26 device, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing you want to do is there's a shortcut to access the menu. You can hold down on a blank portion of your home screen. From there, you'll get access to this quick access menu. And then from there, what you want to do is hit settings. From there, in the home screen settings menu, you want to look for home screen layout. And then from there, you can change the home screen layout. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to change the home screen layout on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.